Oh, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you got your Sportster. You're on lockdown. You want to think, sod it, I'm going to rebuild the thing. You know, tweak it up a bit, get it ported, all that stuff, all that great stuff. And they're bloody quick. You can get well over 100 and some horsepower out of things. Okay, this is a gasket kit you need. Right. Normally base gaskets aren't like this. This is what you call the cure. Okay, this has got a ridge of metal here. So as you clamp it up around these seals, it won't leak. Okay, your rocker gasket's much the same. Again, these are your metal with the ridges. So as you can see here, again, this won't leak. It's amazing technology. These are actually called leak proof. But as you can see here, these are your center of your rocker boxes. You got your umbrella valves, whatever you want to call them, all your stem seals, etc. You know, push rod seals, rocker box seals, copper ones. And as you can see here, your head gaskets, sorry, rocker box gaskets. Your head gaskets are here. These are MLS. Now this means multiple layer. You can see this thing flapping around. Okay, that's because there's 3 layers of metal here, and this will ensure this thing doesn't leak. You can get various thickness in these. I believe these are 40 thou, which is what most of them use. Okay, this here, you got your manifold gaskets, you got your exhaust gaskets, your stem seals, and again your valve stem seals, and these O-rings are all Viton. That's why they're blue. Viton massively superior to the stock stuff, and again all other seals here included as well. So if you want to rebuild your sporty, or if you've got a big twin, we do a big twin kit, a shovel kit, and a late and early big twin. Okay, we also do M8s, Buell, you know, late sportsters. This is 04, 05, 06. We'll be showing you later. But give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, very cool, but not a lot on it yet, customcruisers.eu. If you want any advice on building your motors, tuning them, porting them, you know, whatever you want to do, give us a bell as well. Or email's better, sales@customcruisers.com, and we will try and sort you out. Sorry, with the COVID, we're a bit understaffed, but we will do our best. So 01773835666. We are shut till after January 2020. Okay, till the 4th of January, I should say, and then we reopen. So if you need any of this gear, you can always email me. In the meantime, no doubt I'll be sad enough to be reading the emails. Stay safe and enjoy 2021. Can't be a lot worse than 2020, can it, guys? All the best. Thank you.